Alright, let's go. Today we're playing 99 Nights in the Forest from Temu. Let's get it. Sup guys? I'm Friendly Ren here. What's your name? Oh no, stop. Hey, get away. Hey, I was just stopping by to grab some stuff, okay? Yeah. Okay, you have a good one. I'm out of here. Metal. Ooh, what is this? Oh, an AK-47! Bro! I just want to be a hero. What the heck? I'm about to run up them streets. I'm about to clap him them cheeks. Wait, what? Why'd you take this?